Dental hygiene is as important for your pet as it is for you. Not only can your loved one experience bad breath, but they also have the same diseases like gum disease and tooth decay. Without proper care, the bacteria that builds up in the mouth can actually travel through the bloodstream to the liver, the kidneys, and the heart. Periodontal disease is very common in pets. Studies show that 85% of pets have gum disease by the age of 3. A professional cleaning is the only way to remove this harmful plaque and bacteria and assess the health of the mouth. A proper dental cleaning involves placing your pet under anesthesia, then scaling, polishing, and evaluating each tooth. Without the anesthesia, these steps cannot be performed, thus decreasing the benefit of having a dental procedure performed. Things that you can do at home involve daily toothbrushing, as with the toothpaste and certain foods or treats that we could advise you on. Dental health is very important in keeping a happy and healthy pet and really strengthening the bond between you. Signs that your pet may need a cleaning could be bad breath, drooling, pawing at the mouth, loose or missing teeth, or any kind of discomfort when chewing. As always, it is best for a veterinarian to evaluate the mouth. Any of our doctors here will be more than happy to help you with any of the questions or concerns that you will have.